Mim, halaan anak. Halaan with malunggang and fried tilapia. Wow. And we also have pako. Halaan. Yummy? You eat the malunggay. Very good baby ko ah. Malunggay.
This is malunggay, guys.
Malunggay. Yum yum. Very good. Is that a keychain? Okay.
Bye, guys.
Sarap yan? Halaan. Yum yum yum.
That's sand.
May sand.
No?
No.
What is it then?
Give me.
Oh, yum yum. Very good.